Title: Gift, the heartfelt act of giving. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word gift. A gift is something voluntarily given to another person, often to show affection, appreciation, or celebrate a special occasion. It's a token of kindness and generosity. Pronunciation: pronouncing gift is straightforward, gift, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, the gift of a handmade card can bring warmth and happiness to someone's day. Importance: gifts play a vital role in expressing our love, gratitude, and thoughtfulness towards others. They foster connections and strengthen relationships. Conclusion: in summary, gift is a word that signifies the beauty of giving and the joy it brings to both the giver and the receiver. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, continue to appreciate the magic of gifts in our lives.